going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be obviously cleaning my car because it's a mess, as you saw, but we're also going to be taking the saddlebags off the VN2000, and we're also going to be taking the rear seat off the VN2000 just to make it a little bit more aerodynamic, because around here, like not too long, like maybe an hour away, there's a drag event. It's bring your bike, bring your fastest bike, and whoever wins gets a grand prize. I'm not sure what the grand prize is, but I'm pretty sure it's like money or something like that. But the VN2000 was the biggest V-twin ever produced. It's 2,000 cc's. It has like 100 horsepower, almost 100 and something, almost like 120 foot-pounds of torque, which is almost as much as the Honda Civic. So, I mean, it gets up and goes. So, I mean, we're going to get it ready for the drag strip. We're going to, I think he wants to obviously take off the bags and the rear seat. I think he wants to do something with the ECU, and I think, what else did he want to do? He wanted to do something else. We're going to see him today, and he'll tell us, but yeah, we're going to get ready. We're going to get that bike ready for a drag event. I think that's going to be insane. That's really cool. I think we could win too, because it's pretty fast. I mean, there are Harleys out there that are like worked very good. So his friend has a Harley that's like 10,000. He put like $10,000 into it, and it's fast. Like, it beat the VN2000 just by a little bit. But I think just stock, the VN2000 can put up a good fight against a lot of the bikes that are going to go there, because I don't think a lot of the bikes are going to be like, I mean, Harleys, they're nice, but not that fast. So, I mean, other than the V-Rod, I don't know. We're going to see, because there's a lot of bikes that can go there. M109, there could be a lot, but we're going to take our chances. We're definitely going to get that bike ready. So we're going to head there right now and see what he wants to do, because I know there's something else he wants to do to it. I'm not sure. But yeah, we're going to get everything set up. We're going to detail the car too. I'm just going to wash the car at the car wash, set everything up, and yeah, that's about it, guys. So, see you in a little bit. I shit you not, I have been behind every truck on every single salty, bad road after the car wash. So, that was $3 well spent, I guess, to get my car nice and clean and dirty again. Alright, just got to the brother-in-law's, just assessing. Well, it's not even that dirty, actually, so I thought it was going to be a lot more dirty just because I was behind a bunch of trucks and stuff, but it's pretty clean, actually. See the wheels, it could be a little more clean. I have tire cleaner, which I'm going to use because I'm doing the inside in a little bit. But let's go inside and talk about the bike and stuff. I mean, so given I just cleaned the outside of the car, I'm going to clean the inside. As you can see, it's very nice. It's not, doesn't really need to be, but there's still a couple marks here and there that could be cleaned. So for that, I got this for Christmas, a little gift bag. It comes with some good things. Let me get in there. Hold on. So, for one, it comes with these cleaning wipes, which really help, shine up the whole thing. So, I'm going to wipe this down a little bit with this, and then we're going to come back and rub this all over it, which is just a protectant to keep everything nice and shiny and protect it from the UV rays and such. But yeah, make this thing look a little bit cleaner. I mean, it's already pretty clean. And then we're gonna go to the tent back there and look at the bike and talk about it a little bit. So yeah, let's go. pass through. It's getting there. I mean, as you can see, it's streaks because it's drying, but I mean, it's just pretty clean. We're about to throw the protective layer on and then dry it and then see what the final product is. So, I mean, it is getting pretty clean. So, alright, back after the protective layer. Alright, final product, and as you can see, it is pretty good looking. Like, obviously things are drying, but it restored the black pretty well, the protectant. So, yeah, let's go talk about the bike real quick, and then end the video. So I also just sprayed my tires with Tire Shine. It says let it sit for 10 minutes, so I'll come back in 10 minutes and see the final result. Hold up real quick, open my door and see the detail I did. First off, look at the wheels that are getting cleaned.
Yeah, they look awesome. Even the tires. Even smells good.
Dude, I know, right?
The dash you can eat off of.
Alright, real quick, let's do this spike. Let's see what we got. Alright, so explain to them what you want to do to it.
Oh shit, it's cold. I want to take the saddlebags off. It needs a new belt. I want to get the ECU reflashed, more torque, and just better engine performance, and it'll run better, smoother.
Sweet.
So the bags need to come off. Lights. I want to get LED lights back here because that thing's bulky and huge. Maybe take the radio off.
And we're getting it ready for the drag strip, right?
Yeah, I want to rewrap the...
And the belt, we need a new belt.
Definitely needs a new belt because I beat it hard.
It keeps skipping.
And it skipped a little bit, yeah. I also want to rewrap the pipes because it should help with heat displacement. Obviously, it needs to be wrapped up here too by the header, like really bad.
And then we gotta clean the air intake before we do that. So air intake.
What if we get a new one?
Ooh, like that one. What's that thing called?
The hypercharger.
Oh yeah, the one that looks
little,
like
when it opens up.
looks like a blower.
Yeah, it looks like a little blower.
So
they're probably. I think it's like $300, but it would be worth it.
So we get one of those. ECU flash.
ECU reflash.
Bags are off.
I did want to lower it, but everyone on the forum said not to.
Yeah.
Because it already bottoms out a little bit when I'm going really fast around turns.
So it's probably good.
But it would look nice lowered.
Definitely would. But yeah, this is definitely getting drag strip ready. What are you thinking? Maybe March, late March, the last drag strip event, maybe.
Hopefully, yeah. And if not that event, then definitely a different event once it's fully ready.
For sure.
I definitely want to try it. I mean, it might not do the best, but I just want to see where it's at.
Right.
And then if it's not that good, then I don't know. We'll do some other stuff to it. Whatever we can do.
But yeah, so those are the plans for the bike. We were going to start it up, but it's a pain in the ass to start up, and we already have a video of it starting up. So yeah, next video I think is going to be us getting it drag strip ready, taking that off, taking the other saddlebag off.
I want to take the back seat off too.
Yep.
See what it looks like.
And then we're gonna unwrap that. I'm gonna buy some heat wrap. Maybe even buy some gold heat wrap.
Yeah, I don't know. I want to make it look good and just take whatever unnecessary weight we can take off of.
Yep. Well, it'll look good. All right. Well, that's it, guys. So yeah. All right. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Yeah, it was just a really quick. Hold on. It was just a really quick video, just me cleaning the car, detailing the car a tiny bit, and just showing you what we're going to be doing to this bike. This thing is going to be sick on the drag strip. I cannot wait to bring it on the drag strip. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell because you're not going to want to miss this thing on the drag strip because this thing is going to rip down the drag strip because a little secret that probably a little people don't know out there is that this thing might grip like hell on the drag strip because it's got a damn car tire on the back. So this thing might just grip and go on the drag strip, and that's what we're looking to do, get ahead of them and just keep going. So hopefully we get this thing on the drag strip soon. So yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I already said all that, and we'll see you next time. Peace.